Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, remove the 6 screws securing the base cover and the 2 screws by the hinges. Pry the cover off the recess points near the hinges. Identify the hard drive assembly and unplug the cables. Remove the 4 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Disconnect the hard drive cables and remove the 4 screws to remove the drive from the assembly. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the assembly and tighten the 4 screws. Reconnect the hard drive cables. Place the assembly back in the system and install the 4 screws. Reconnect the cables. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.